Hi, welcome back to my series where I am talking about arranging with a mix of pop and classical, and I'll be posting a series of videos explaining the basics of arranging pop songs for piano. And in this series, I'm discussing pieces I've hand selected that represent music throughout the decades, starting from the 50s and working our way up to today. And in my last video, we talked about the 90s, so for the sixth one, we're going all out in Y2K, looking at one of the defining songs of the 2000s, which is Everytime We Touch by Cascada. Cascada is a German music dance act featuring singer Natalie Horler and DJs DJ Manian and DJ Yono. It was founded in 2004 and it came out with some of the best hits of the 2000s, like Everytime We Touch and Evacuate the Dance Floor. And that is what we will be looking at today. So to start out, there's a BPM of quarter note equals 120. The original song is 142, but I wanted to slow it down since the students are still sight reading. The key signature is in E minor / G major. It's transposed down a half step from F minor and A flat major. One sharp is a little bit easier to read than four flats. The main singing melody is here in the right hand, starting from here with the first verse. And the left hand is just the same bass line you hear in the song, and according to the lead sheet, it's the same chord progression in the first verse, which is minor key, so it's E minor, G major, D major, and then C major. But then it changes into the major key, it modulates for the chorus, so then it becomes C major, D major, E minor, and it repeats, and then the chorus ends on the 5 chord. The rhythm may look a little complicated at first with the ties and the dotted quarter notes, but it's written that way for a reason. You just want to subdivide, and we talk about splitting the measure in half and notating it like that. The dynamics follow the form as always. We start with the first verse, and then here is the pre-chorus, and here is the chorus.